Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I have brought some more problems in trigonometry. So let's start. So student, question number 16. We have solved some questions in video number 4. Now students, to continue that video, we'll solve more problems in trigonometry. Question number 16. Equation 2 cos theta equal to x plus 1 by x is possible if cos theta equal to dash. So how to solve this? 2 cos theta equal to x square plus 1 divided by x. So take LCM in right hand side implies that x 2x cos theta after cross multiplication implies that x square minus 2x cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. So student, here this is possible when the discriminant is greater than or equal to 0, implies that discriminant is what? Minus 2 cos theta whole square, b square minus 4ac. A means 1, C means 1 is greater than or equal to 0, implies that 4 cos square theta minus 4 greater than or equal to 0, implies that cos square theta greater than or equal to 4. But so we know 4 cos square theta greater than or equal to 4, so cos square theta greater than or equal to 1. After this, cos square theta cannot be greater than 1, so cos square theta is equal to 1. So implies that cos theta equal to plus minus 1. Solved. Now come to question number 17. In question 17, prove that tan 3x by tan x never lies between 1 by 3 and 3. So student, let y equal to tan 3x divided by tan x. Solve tan 3x, 3 tan x minus 10 cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x multiplied by x 10x. Implies that y equal to 3 tan x minus, okay, so 1 10x 10x can be cancelled from numerator denominator. After that 3 minus 10 square x divided by 1 minus 3 10 square x, implies that now cross multiplication, after cross multiplication y minus 3y 10 square x equal to 3 minus 10 square x, implies that bring 10 square x from right hand side to left hand side minus 3y 10 square x and take y to right hand side 3 minus y. Now take common 10 square x, 1 minus 3y equal to 3 minus y, implies that 10 square x equal to 3 minus y divided by 1 minus 3y. Now guys, we know 10 square x means square of any value is always greater than or equal to 0. 3 minus y divided by 1 minus 3y greater than or equal to 0, implies that y value is, if 3 minus y equal to 0, 1 minus 3y equal to 0, then you can check y equal to 3 and here y equal to 1 by 3. So lower value is 1 by 3 and bigger value is 3. So the answer cannot be between 1 by 3 and 3. Or we can solve it by also number line. First 1 by 3, then 3, then infinitive, then minus infinitive. Here positive, negative, positive. So we want greater than equal to 0. The answer will be y belongs to minus infinity to 1 by 3 union 3 to infinity. But student, 1 by 3 we cannot write closed. Here we have to write open. Why open? Because if we put 1 by 3, because if we include 1 by 3, then we have to put 1 by 3 here. If we put 1 by 3 here, then the denominator will be 0. So the total function does not exist. So student, 1 by 3 should be open. Anyway, what will be the answer? What will be the question? Prove that the answer is not in between 1 by 3 and 3, which is correct. Answer is left to 1 by 3 and after 3. So student, this question solved. Then question number 18. Prove that sin x divided by cos 3x plus sin 3x divided by cos 9x plus sin 9x divided by cos 27x equal to 1 by 2 10 27x minus 10x. So LHS sin x divided by cos 3x plus sin 3x divided by cos 9x plus sin 9x divided by cos 27x. This is the LHS. Now so multiply to numerator and denominator. Next step is 1 by 2 and here numerator 2 sin x and multiply cos x. In the first term, denominator is cos 3x into cos x. Cos x multiplied here and here. Plus similarly to sin 3x into cos 3x. So that this value will be sin 2 theta formula we can apply here. Cos 9x into cos 3x plus 2 sin 9x into cos 9x and denominator cos 27x into cos 9x. Hope you understand. Equal to 1 by 2 and numerator sin 2 theta formula is applied here and denominator cos 3x into cos x plus and here numerator sin 2 theta. So 6x divided by cos 9x into cos 3x plus here also numerator sin 2 theta 18x cos 27x into cos 9x equal to 1 by 2. Now from this sin 2x we can write 3x minus x and denominator write as it is cos x plus sin 9x minus 3x. See, denominator 9x and 3x are there. So in numerator you adjust the 6x 9x minus 3x cos 9x into cos 3x plus sin 27x minus 9x divided by cos 27x into cos 9x. After that we'll put sin a minus b formula in each term. Here 1 by 2 sin 3x minus x is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Here a is 3x and b is x. In denominator cos 3x into cos x plus sin a cos b minus cos a sin b divided by cos 9x into cos 3x. Similarly, the third term sin 27x into cos 9x minus cos 27x into sin 9x. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, and denominator cos 27x into cos 9x. Equal to 1 by 2 into sin 3x cos x divided by cos 3x into cos x. Cos x cancelled. Sin 3x by cos x is tan 3x. Minus, here cos x, cos 3x and cos 6 will be cancelled. You can see this value is cancelled with this value. Here sin x by cos x is tan x. Plus, here also cos 3x cancelled. This cos 3x cancelled. Sin 9x by cos 9x is tan 9x. Similarly, minus, and here you can see cos 9x cancel, and sin 3x cos 3x means tan 3x. Similarly, in last step also, tan 27x minus tan 9x will be there. So now tan 3x minus tan 3x cancelled, and tan 9x minus tan 9x cancelled. So finally tan 27x minus tan x. So final answer is 1 by 2 into tan 27x minus tan x, which is our RHS. So student, we solve the question. Question number 19. If cos theta plus phi equal to m cos theta minus phi, then find the value of 1 minus m by 1 plus m equal to cot phi. So guys, this thing is given. Cos theta plus phi divided by cos theta minus phi, cos theta minus phi. This is given statement. Okay. From this given statement, one step I am doing. M divided by nothing means 1. So now by component of dividendo by C and D, means component dividendo cos theta plus phi plus cos theta minus phi divided by cos theta plus phi minus cos theta minus phi equal to m plus 1 divided by m plus 1, m minus 1. But in question it was given that 1 minus m by 1 plus m. No problem, we will reciprocate it after solving. Implies that cos a plus b plus cos a minus b formula is 2 cos a cos b, 2 cos theta cos phi divided by 2 cos a plus b minus cos a b formula is 2 sin theta into sin phi, sin minus phi. So minus will be there, m plus 1 by m minus 1. Since we know cos a minus b minus cos a plus b formula is 2 sin a sin b, but here in denominator cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. If cos a minus b minus cos a plus b there, then formula is 2 sin a sin b. So here we have to write minus 2 sin theta sin phi. 2 to cancel, and cos theta by sin theta cot theta. Now we have to reciprocate it, and this minus will multiply minus on both the sides. So numerator sin theta into sin phi, and denominator cos theta cos phi equal to 1 minus m by 1 plus m. Why 1 minus m? Because here we have multiplied minus this minus to eliminate. Here we have to multiply it. We have to multiply. So now sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta into tan phi equal to 1 minus m by 1 plus m. So our RHS not proved because tan theta is not present here. So student, in question, in proving, somehow mistake is there. This tan theta will go to, this tan phi will go to right, cot phi. Our m to prove is 1 minus m by 1 plus m. If we write 1 minus m by 1 plus m, then okay, 1 minus m by 1 plus m is tan theta will be cot theta in denominator, tan phi will be cot phi in denominator. So if we multiply cot theta on left hand side, cot theta into 1 minus m by 1 plus m equal to 1 by cot phi. Actually, this was the proof. Okay, again we can. Okay, student, here some mistake is there. Here this proof is tan theta equal to 1 minus m by 1 plus m cot phi. This is the RHS, this is LHS. So tan theta equal to, so now cancel these two steps. Here we can write tan theta equal to 1 minus m by 1 plus m. Tan phi is 1 by tan phi, and 1 minus m by 1 plus m cot phi. So this is the proof. Now so next come to question number 20. In question number 20, prove that LHS is root 3 cos 23 degree minus sin 23 degree divided by 2 equal to root 3 by 2 into cos 23 degree minus root 3 by 2 into sin 23 degree. So root 3 by 2 is cos what? Cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree into cos 23 degree minus sin. Okay, this is not root 3 by 2. This is 1 by 2. Okay, sin 30 degree into sin 23 degree. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, simple formula, cos A plus B, 30 plus 23 degree equal to cos 53 degree. Completed. Next question number 21. Question number 21 is given x greater than 0, the values of fx equal to minus 3, the values of fx equal to minus 3 cos root over 3 plus x square lie in the interval what? So student, this question is very easy. Cos of any value 3 plus x square, any value is in between minus and 1. We know if we multiply 3 minus 3 less than equal to 3 cos root over 3 plus x square less than equal to 3. If we multiply minus 3, if we multiply minus 3, then okay, this is plus 3, this is minus 3, this is minus. Again, Suppose 3 minus 3 less than equal to 3 cos root over 3 plus x square less than equal to 3, and if you multiply minus 1 again, then it will be 3 greater than equal to minus 3 cos root over 3 plus x square. If you multiply minus 1 to an equation, then like greater than will be less than equal to will be greater than equal to. Here greater than equal to will be there. So minus 3. So simply we'll write it minus 3 less than equal to the function less than equal to plus 3. So fx belongs to minus 3 to 3. This is the answer. Question number 22. In question number 22, the maximum distance of a point on the graph, we have to of the function y equal to root 3 sin x plus cos x. So student, here what we have to do, finding the maximum value and minimum value of this function. The maximum value is the answer. The distance from x axis means the maximum value is the answer. So how to do this? This y value is minus square root of root 3 square plus 1 square, then root over root 3 square plus 1 square, implies that minus 3 plus 1 is 4 less than equal to y less than equal to root 4. So answer is y belongs to minus 2 to 2. But here question is maximum distance. So answer is maximum value is 2. This one is the maximum value. This one is the distance from x-axis. Question number 23. Prove that sec 8 theta minus 1 by sec 4 theta minus 1 equal to tan 8 theta by tan 2 theta. So LHS sec 8 theta minus 1 divided by sec 4 theta minus 1 equal to sec 8 theta. What we will do here, 1 by cos 8 theta minus 1 divided by 1 by cos 4 theta minus 1 equal to 1 minus cos 8 theta divided by cos 8 theta divided by 1 minus cos 4 theta divided by cos 4 theta. Implies that here it is cos 8 theta. Okay. So 1 minus cos 8 theta divided by cos 8 theta into 1 minus cos 4 theta, and this cos 4 theta will go to numerator cos 4 theta. Now student, 1 minus cos 8 theta is 2 cos square 4 theta, 2 cos square 4 theta. Because 1 minus cos 2 theta formula is 2 sin square theta. Okay. 2 sin square theta. Formula is 2 sin square theta. So we put here 2 sin square 4 theta into cos 4 theta divided by cos 8 theta into 1 minus cos 4 theta is 2 cos square 2 theta. Now student, on numerator 2 into sin 4 theta, 1 sin 4 theta right, and second sin 4 theta 2 sin 2 theta into cos theta we break into cos 4 theta. Now next, in denominator no change, cos 8 theta into 2 cos square 2 theta. Now you can see on numerator 2 sin 4 theta cos 4 theta is sin 8 theta, sin 8 theta, and 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta is here 2 cancelled, cos 2 theta cancelled. So sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta is tan. Here denominator cos 8 theta is there, and here also sin 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta. So sin 8 theta by cos 8 theta is tan 8 theta into tan 2 theta. Tan 8 theta by tan 2 theta by tan 2 theta. हाउ बाई टेन टू थीटा हियर, ये जो साइन टू थीटा ओके, here 1 minus cos 4 theta is sin square 2 theta. Okay, sin square 2 theta. Here also sin square 2 theta. This cos theta cannot be cancelled. Cos 2 theta, but sin 2 theta cancelled. So cos 2 theta in denominator sin square 2 theta. So 1 sin 2 theta cancel, cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta. Here into cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta is equal to tan 8 theta divided by tan 2 theta, because cos will come to denominator and this is the RHS. Again, we are revising sec 8 theta minus 1 by sec 4 theta minus 1, 1 by cos 8 theta minus 1 by 1 by cos 4 theta minus 1, 1 minus cos 8 theta formula is 2 sin square 4 theta, and here 1 minus cos 4 theta formula is 2 sin square 2 theta. Okay, this formula we apply 2 times, and now 1 sin 4 theta I have written here, and another sin 4 theta is 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta, and in denominator cos 8 theta no changes, and here denominator 2 sin square 2 theta, this is also no changes, and now we cancel this sin theta sin 2 theta, and in denominator it will be sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta, and numerator 2 sin 4 theta cos 4 theta will become sin 8 theta, and denominator already cos 8 theta is there, sin 8 by cos 8, that is tan 8, and divided by sin 2 theta by cos 8, tan 2 theta. Okay, so next question. Question number 20. Question number 24. The value of 1 minus tan square 15 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 15 degree is dash. Question, the value of 1 minus tan square 15 degree by 1 plus tan square 15 degree is equal to their dash. So 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta formula is cos 2 theta. So here cos 2 into 15 degree and cos 2 into 15 degree, that is cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is what? Root 3 by 2. So answer is bit C. So now the last question, question number 25. In question number 25, if tan beta equal to tan alpha plus tan gamma divided by 1 plus tan alpha tan gamma, then sin 2 beta equal to dash. Okay. So how to solve this? So tan beta is given sin alpha by cos alpha. This tan beta you can write sin alpha by cos alpha, and tan gamma is sin gamma by cos gamma divided by 1 plus sin alpha by cos alpha into sin gamma by cos gamma equal to sin alpha into cos gamma plus cos alpha into sin gamma divided by cos alpha cos gamma okay cos alpha cos gamma plus sin alpha sin gamma, and here denominator cos alpha cos gamma, and here also cos alpha cos gamma, these two are cancelled, and on numerator sin alpha plus gamma, and in denominator cos alpha minus gamma. Okay, so now tan beta equal to this, tan beta equal to this, and now we'll apply this to sin 2 beta. Now we want to find out the value of sin 2 beta. Sin 2 beta. Now sin 2 beta formula is what? 2 tan beta divided by 1 plus tan square beta. 2 into tan beta is this, sin alpha plus gamma divided by cos alpha minus gamma. Okay, divided by 1 plus sin square alpha plus gamma divided by cos square alpha minus gamma. Now solve it. Cos alpha minus gamma cancelled, and our numerator it is 2 sin alpha plus gamma into this denominator cos alpha minus gamma also goes to numerator, and in denominator cos alpha minus gamma, here we have taken LCM, this is cos square alpha minus gamma plus sin square alpha minus alpha plus gamma. So now student, next step is on numerator 2 sin alpha plus gamma into cos alpha minus gamma. So student, on numerator 2 sin a plus b into cos a minus b formula, 2 sin a cos b formula is what? 2 sin a cos b formula is sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Now here sin a plus b means alpha plus gamma plus alpha minus gamma plus sin a minus b, alpha plus gamma minus alpha plus gamma, and here gamma gamma cancelled, here alpha alpha cancelled. So sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 gamma, sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 gamma, numerator sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 gamma, and in denominator just multiply 2 cos square alpha minus gamma, also multiply that to on numerator, plus 2 sin square alpha plus gamma. After that, what can be done? 2 sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 gamma divided by 2 cos square alpha minus gamma means what? Sin 1 plus 2 cos square theta formula is what? 2 cos square theta formula is 1 plus cos 2 theta. So here cos 2 alpha minus 2 gamma plus 2 cos square theta formula is 1 plus cos 2 theta. Okay, this is 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 alpha minus 2 gamma plus 1 minus cos 2 alpha plus 2 gamma equal to on numerator sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 gamma, right as it is, and denominator 2 plus cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. What is the formula for cos a minus b minus cos a plus b? It is 2 sin a sin b, 2 sin a sin b. So here 2 sin 2 alpha into sin 2 gamma. So student RHS. So proved. So thank you everyone watching for my video.